Hey guys, it's Rally Racer 2006. Today I am doing a vlog, and today I'm in my car with Minnie Moo. Yeah, that's my dog. So, yeah, I'm in my car. No one else here is it. Minnie Moo. So yeah, so I'm doing a vlog in my car. Yeah. So well, it's very hot out. Very, very hot. So yeah. Next video is gonna be like a Q&A. Comment on my Colosseum, my second Colosseum video, and also this video if you want to see me do a Q&A. So yeah. So do it. Comment. Minnie, that's Minnie Moo. So that's my dog. I got a snake. Okay, I will be doing a vlog when I'm holding. So yeah, I'm gonna hold it. Well, I have held it like 8 times so far. What are you looking at? So yeah, I've held it 8 times so far. Yeah, it's gonna be really good. So yeah. Where's the cats? Where's the cats? Say, Minnie! Minnie, where's the cats? Minnie! What's over there? What's over there? Minnie! Minnie! What's over there? What's over there? It was actually a cat, though. Guys, so in my last video, I was doing the Colosseum. Well, like, they're doing the windows. And I forgot to do the face cam. Because I got a GoPro. I got a GoPro. Oh. GoPro. It's beast. And yeah, but I forgot to set it. And I am going to do a real battle with Kobe. It's going to be awesome. My eyes are green. That looks weird. Guys, how fast do you think a blink is? Comment down below and comment to the Q&A. Ready? Ready, steady, action! So, dope. Shout out! Okay, I'm gonna do is shout out to Rockin' Fun, Cool Things, and Kara6. So, and it's not that, no. And Mama Loves Kenzie, and me, which is on my other video. That actually is his real name. I don't know his real name, but he definitely has a channel. And my friend called Ty Ratcliffe, who's gonna have a channel. So, bye guys.